welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine. This is your first time visiting. Thanks so much for stopping by. And this is not your first time visiting. Thanks for coming back. Today we are going to be using a free software, and it's called wordart.com. It's a free software, and you can just go on the internet and just put in wordart.com, and we can work with that software. And I'll show you that in a minute. But first I want to show y'all, before I get into that, I want to show y'all what y'all can do with wordart.com. I did not, yes, we are in Silhouette. Silhouette is also a free software you can use. You can download on your computer from silhouette.com. And but I have the business edition, so it might be might have extra things over here that you might not have on yours, but this is a business edition and it does cost. Okay. But this right here, I used her on one of my videos. This is Brianna Taylor. And we just trying to get justice for her because she was murdered by police in her home while she was sleeping, and I'm just trying to spread awareness for her to get those police locked up. But anyway, I used this on the license plate on one of my other videos, and people was wondering how I did it. I did not do this. I got this off of Facebook, a free group. Someone was making these, and I got it for free off of Facebook. So no, I did not do this, but you can do this on wordart. Okay. I did do this one on wordart. This is basically my granddaughter's name behind here, and it says Araya, we love you, princess. And what I did was, you can also put images on here. So I was just playing around with this to see how it looks, so I can show you how it looks when you put an image on here. But this is what I did in artwork. I used a square shape in wordart, and I'm gonna show you how to do something like this today, okay? And then if you want to use the image, you can just get any image of your choice, put it on top, and then you just basically group it. And you can also do this in Cricut. If you don't have this, you can do it in Cricut. But I use Silhouette because it prints bigger. You can use Microsoft Word also to make it print bigger when you want to sublimate, okay? So I can sublimate this together and this be cute on, this could be on anything, a shirt or the notebook, sublimation notebook, anything, cups, mugs, whatever, okay? So you also see those fists. Let me show you art. Let me see if I can find it. You can also, so many things that people be using word art for. Like you can use like this fist right here. It's a PNG. I got this off of the internet. You can also put words in the PNG. And you can also put words in here through wordart, and I'll show you all how to do that too. But you know how the fist to say Black Lives Matter and all that kind of stuff. They do that too, but you can use wordart for that too. So let's go ahead and get started. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and go to Chrome. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm in Google, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in www.wordart, and it should be there already because I have been working with that. Well, I guess it's not. wordart.com, and here it is right here. And I already logged into this, and I put my information there just so I can be able to keep all my designs and stuff together. Okay. So now you just go to push this button, and it's called, you say create now. Create. Okay, here we go. You got to see, make sure you come to this screen right here because this is where you put the words at, okay? You could put more, you could put, right here is, there's 3 words on here, word, cloud, and art, okay? But you can also type more here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna find some words. Shayla, Lene, Trotter. That's cute. If you had, like, you could put, like, for a baby coming, like a baby shower or something like that, you put baby name in there or something like that. That'd be cute on a program or something like that. Okay, let's see if this will go inside the feet. The words will go inside the feet, or will it go around the feet? See, that's cute too. That could be nice for a baby shower or something like that. So some of these you gotta just play with and look at it. Like this right here would be cute for a birthday party. I'm just showing y'all different things. I always say I'm gonna have a quick video, but I always find different things you can do and I can teach y'all that I don't know about. So this is cute too for a birthday. You can put happy birthday on there and put the kid's name on there. That's cute. Okay, let's go ahead and look for our square. They have all kind of stuff. You can use circles. Also, here's the square. And here's the square right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it because I'm going to change the color to white. Okay, so we want to have a blue inside. Now apply it. And you can also change the rotation angle. You can do all kind of things on here. But I'm just going to, let me see. Let's see how that works. Then I'm going to go ahead and push visualize. And there's my square. So that's not big enough. I want to go ahead and, oh, I changed the size. I should have left it like it was. I'm just playing around with stuff. So I'm going to bring it back over here to that and push OK. Then visualize it. Oh, let's see that. Now it looks going to look like this. And I don't like that either. I want it to look like a square. Let's play around with it again. And it should show you in this box how it's going to look. Let's see. Maybe I will. There it is. Okay. So I really want it like this. And let's see how it looks. Okay. You can change the rotation of it. Okay. But I want to keep it like it was. Okay. Just like that. And then, like I said, you can change the ratio of it. But that's just how I want it to look, just like that. So you basically have to push reset so you can see how it looks. Okay. So now go ahead and push reset. It's the same way. So you can see how it looks. Let's see. Maybe I want it a little bit wider. Let's see. This is gonna get about right there. Okay. Push OK. Now you see it right there. So now I gotta push visualize. And this is how it's gonna be. This is what you need to put on your shirt. Okay. All right. So let's go to different. We can change the fonts. Even though I showed you how to do everything. Like, you can go back to words right here. This is the words you have. You can go up in here and change the fonts, the angle, whatever you want to in here, or you can go to these little icons down here. Okay. Let's see. And you can change it to uppercase. You can change it to lowercase. Change the capitalization, and that's how. And then you always, like, if I do upper, then I'm going to go ahead and push visualize to see how it looks. Do I want it like that? Okay. No, I don't like it like that. Okay, so then I go to, if I want to, let's see how it looks when it's all lower. You push lower and you visualize. Okay, that's how it looks. But I really want to be, I want the first letter to be capitalized. So I'm going to push capitalize and I'm going to push visualize. Okay, and this is how I like it. I like it like that. You can change the color. You can do however you want to. So let me show you again how to do the fonts. The fonts is right here. See, this is better when you do it this way, so you can be able to look at the fonts. Okay, when you come here, you can't see the fonts. Okay, so I was just saying that. I was saying it'd be better if I do it that way. And I forgot about this. So I guess this is just basically showing you how the fonts look. So let's go over here to Word and let's go to Lobster. It should be in here. Lobster regular. And it's going to change it now. There it is. Okay, at least I know how it looks. So now I can go back to words and say, okay, I want franchise. I want her middle name to be franchise. So I go here to her name and I find franchise. Here we go. And then I push visualize. So I guess you got to do it all in this little part right here. Okay, I like that one. Okay. So let me do another one. Let's go back to Let's go back to fonts and find another one for her last name. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back to words, find that one for her last name. Right here, visualize. Okay, oh, that's cute. I like that. Okay. And also, I believe is a way you can move this around. Like if I wanted her, oh, right here. If I wanted her name to go down, like I want her last name to go down, I'll just push down. Okay. Last name down. Okay, there it is. And then visualize. So I want her first. I want to be on top of this. Let's see if it'll move around. I like it like that. See, much better. So her last name is on the bottom instead of on top. So you can also move the words around. It's my first time doing that. I'm just getting around. That's cute. Now look at this. I'm gonna show y'all if I put one more word in here. Okay. If I put daughter, then I put it says size 1. Let's see how big size 1 it would be if I leave it at 1. Then I'm gonna use black just so you can see it. And I push apply. And then as far as the we're gonna worry about the angle too later. But let me see. Check. I'm gonna just do let me just do this one. and then visualize it. So I'm adding the word on there. Let's see how that looks. So that's daughter. That's pretty too. That font is pretty. Okay. So there we go. You can add more words in here too if you want it or whatever. Okay. All right. So now let's go to layouts, and here's the layouts. Okay, horizontal or vertical. You can do a vertical. Let's see if that'll work if we visualize that for vertical. Yes, that'll work. So some of these works, but some of them don't work. That's crazy how that works. So see, this is vertical. Let's see how it looks horizontal. Visualize. Maybe it's my computer acting up too. Play around with this a little bit. Okay, this is negative slope. Okay, and you can also customize it. Okay, you can put your angle in there. You can do all that, but I'm not gonna do all that. Okay, so I'm just showing you different things, and you can also take out the word count. Okay, see right here, say word amount. It says right now we have 300 words. But what if I want to make it look less words? So I just basically go down to let me see, define, and then you bring it over to maybe, like I said, if I want to do 147 words. See, now it looks like that. Even though before I even push apply, it went on here, it went down to 147 words. Let's go down some more and see how it's deleting the words. You have more space, more white. Okay, more space on the paper. Okay, to no words. So there's one word. Okay, so let's go down. Let's go back and let's go all the way over here to see how tiny that gets. Okay, and this is 874 words. Maybe it's not. It's just not able to put all that on that square. But see how it's not moving now. Maybe it's my computer. It's my computer acting silly. There's 447 words right here. Okay. Let's go all the way, see how, if I go ahead and go all the way over here and then push visualize. Sometimes it works without pushing visualize, sometimes it doesn't. So okay, see how it has a lot of words in there now. Okay, 986 words. Okay, let's go back to about right here, 283. Visualize. And you can also change the density. Okay, so let's go ahead to, it's on 20% now. Let's go down some and see how that looks. To 11%, and then push visualize. Okay, see that how that changed it. Let's go all the way down. Let's go over to 38% and visualize. Okay, so you just play around with how you like it, how you want it. Okay, I'm gonna go back to 10%. I'd say about 20%. Visualize. Okay, I like it like that. Okay, so this is where they okay, let me see what else we can do. Let's go to style. Okay, we already changed. We can do the colors. Okay, the shape. We already have the shape. We have these are the colors we're using. Let's do the color emphasis. Let's change it and see how that works. Okay, so you can do it however you want. Background images. We won't have any. Let's just see what this. See, okay, the color will come up, but I want it to be white. So let's keep it back down to that way because I'm gonna be sublimating this. Okay. You need to know about this. The color box is that says colored spot, and that should say transparent. It should, or is it white? Let's see. White and then apply. Visualize. I thought you chose white before. Okay, yeah. Okay, and that's all I think I want to show you. Oh, let me show you how to save it real quick. So now what I need to go is to and basically go to download. Okay, go to download, and you want to save it as a standard PNG. We'll go ahead and push standard PNG, and this right here, I just put right here that I want to save it into my desktop, which is right here, and I'm gonna put Shayla name on here. Just put it what it says. Change it to Shayla. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and push enter. Okay, so now I'm going to cross this out, and now this is my page that I found that I already started on. So I'm gonna move it out the way. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in File, Merge. It should pop up right here on my desktop, right here. And there we have it. Now you can size it the way you want it. And boom, there it is. And see how this is a white background back here, and this is a blue background. So you can change the background to white, like I did for this one. So this is all white back here. So if you want to sublimate it, it'll be a white background like this, okay? So, but this one, it's got blue in it some kind of way. So you change it to white so you don't have to worry about that blue being on your white shirt, okay? It'll be transparent. And also, so then you just go ahead and stretch it the way you size it the way you want it. Okay, you size it the way you want it, and then you can also put another image on here, like I did with her. But you just got to right click on it and then bring it to the front. Okay, and then you put the image on there. And you can just basically, when you're sublimating something, you got to make sure you flip it. So you flip it horizontally, so you can be able to make sure the print is on the right side. It's flipped horizontally, and then you print it. And you can move this any way you want to. See how they did her? They just basically put her so her name can be bigger than the image. So let me see, stretch it out a little bit more. And then depends on what size paper you're gonna be using. Okay. So there we have it, y'all. Put it any way you want to, but it's not the image I put on here. I'm just doing it to see how you can just throw it. It's so easy to just throw an image on top of the words, okay? All right, that will be all for today for this word art tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave it below. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the red bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And check out my Etsy page, Charming Gal Boutique 2, my Facebook group, Brown Girls Craft with Cricut. Thank you for watching. Until next time, be blessed.